तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज का जो लाइव सेशन होगा so today's live session is started with chapter 6. So this is the new chapter, development and administration. First of all, I am showing the entire chapter to all of you. So first video is related with the entire chapters. What are the contents in this chapter? So let's go to the next page. I'm showing you entire chapter. So if you kindly write down these notes, which will be beneficial for all of you. Let's go to the next page. So page number 107. Let's go to the next page. Page number 108. So I'm showing you all the notes, entire chapter, what are the contents inside. So kindly check the notes properly and try to write down all these notes in your copies. Let's go to the page number 109. So let's go to the page number 110. The chapter is very much important, development and administration. So all of you kindly write down these notes. Let's go to the next page. Page number 111. Let's go to the next chapter, 112. Next page, 112. Let's go to the page number 113. So entire notes I am showing you. So all of you kindly write down these notes. Development administration contribution of FW rigs. So let's go to the next page. That means 114. Page number 114. This is a details video of development administration chapter. Let's go to the next page, 115. All of you write down these notes properly. Let's go to the page number 116. Scope of development administration. And let's go to the page number 117. Significance of development administration. Let's go to the page number 118. Global Sustainable Development Goals SDGs achieved by the year of 2030. Let's go to the page number 119. That is civil service, bureaucracy and development. Let's go to the page number 120. Let's go to the page number 121. 121 is the last page of this chapter. So in the next video, I will give you objective type questions and answers from this chapter, and also the broad question from remaining chapter. Thank you. So kindly write down the video. Kindly write down all the notes and kindly share the video and like the video. जितना आप इन वीडियोस को शेयर करेंगे उतना ही ये सारा का सारा नोट्स सभी स्टूडेंट्स को फ्री में मिल जाएगा. So kindly share the video. Thank you. Good night.